In this week's video, we are helping you stand up for your Second Amendment rights. Hello everyone, my name is Joseph Radzwion IV, your trusted attorney with Radzwion Law PLLC, and today we are giving you some bonus tips and bullet points for conversations that we are going to challenge everyone here to have with someone at their 4th of July picnic or gathering or parade or whatever they're doing to help promote the pro-Second Amendment message. Our first bullet point is how to get into that conversation. Well, the way that you could do it is simply ask the individual, what do you think about gun ownership here in the United States? Let them give an answer, and then you respectfully go into whatever points you want to make. But the three bullet points that I'm going to give you guys today are fairly simple to remember, and that is roughly 2.5 million defensive gun uses occur here in the United States every year. So that number again is 2.5 million. This comes from a criminologist professor at Florida State University. That equals the probability of about 38%. You have a 38% chance as an adult of needing a firearm to defend yourself or that of a loved one here in the United States over the course of your lifetime. So again, those numbers, 2.5 million defensive gun uses per year, and that equals 38% chance of needing a firearm to defend yourself over the course of your lifetime. If you can do math quickly, that's 12% off of 50%, okay? The next one is, the next bullet point, pun intended, is that you could say the FBI says that rifles are used in roughly 3.5% of murders here in the United States. That number is relatively low compared to other firearms that are used, but everyone makes it seem like rifles are the #1 most used firearms to commit crimes and murders in the United States, and that's simply not true. And again, that number is 3.5% of rifles are used in murders according to the FBI. The third point is that, and you can repeat this over and over because hopefully it will sink in, that laws will never stop evil people that have evil intentions. Only God can change their hearts. Laws will never change the hearts of evil intent. People will still do evil things. The example you could give is in Nice, France, that, where guns are wildly prohibited and very restricted. An individual with evil intent to kill people got into a truck and proceeded to run people over and hit them with the truck and, killed 84 people. So laws will never regulate evil hearts. The last and more bonus point type conversational piece is ask the individual, well, what does the Second Amendment say? And then either you guys memorize this or maybe write it down or Google it and read it to them. But it says a well-regulated militia being necessary for the security of a free state, the right of the people to keep and bear arms shall not be infringed. Simply, the militia is we the people. And if you can't remember all of that, you could simply say the right of the people to keep and bear arms shall not be infringed. That's what the Second Amendment says. It doesn't say anything about muskets or technology. It's talking about the restriction on the government so that the people can be free and bear arms. So that is my challenge. That is one challenge that I have for you all, is to have a conversation with individuals and just simply asking them, what do you think about gun ownership here in America? That's a way to complete this challenge and go through those points and any other points that you'd like to make. Remember, be respectful and polite in doing so. The second challenge that I have for you guys is, if you want a good way to enter into that conversation, consider open carrying legally. But remember, you are responsible, whatever state you're watching this in, to know the laws of open carry. And this video is not to be taken as legal advice. None of our videos are to be taken as legal advice. If you live in Michigan and want to see some do's and don'ts or what is open carry, how to do it, we did post our video last week on our blog page that talks about, and I give real demonstration of the do's and don'ts of open carry. If you do decide to open carry, our last challenge for everyone would be to take a picture of you open carrying, and either, if you're comfortable posting it to social media, do so and tag us in it, Radzwion Law PLLC, or If you're not comfortable posting it, but you want to show that you supported the Second Amendment, take a picture and just email it to us. If you want us to post it, we will. You can tell us to do so if we have your permission, or you just want to send it to us so that we can look at it and just feel good that there are people out there promoting the Second Amendment, good patriots like you guys. And that would be very cool. We look forward to seeing those pictures and hearing about your guys' conversations. Put them in the comments below. Thanks again for watching, everyone. Remember, we the people have the right to keep and bear arms, and that right shall not be infringed. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.